Hello there. So you got your essential oil samples that I sent to you in your mail, and you got your little sheet of information that I sent to you as well. So I did send you 3 essential oil samples. You should have got a little vial like this here with the 3 oils in it. So I sent you some Forgive essential oil. I sent you some Peace essential oil, or sorry, yes, I sent you Peace essential oil, and I also sent you some Motivate essential oil. So I'm going to just tell you a little bit about essential oils. So essential oils are not created all equal. Having essential oil that is pure, a certified pure therapeutic grade tested oil is key because you don't want to be using something that is full of contaminants, that has fragrances in it or fillers in it. doTERRA oils are proven. They are tested inside of doTERRA and third-party testing as well. So you know that the quality of these oils is pure. There's nothing altered to these oils. So they are safe. 3 ways that you can use them is internally, topically, and aromatically. While I'm talking to you about using oils for vibration, we're going to talk about topical and aromatic use only. I really want to make this really simple for you. What I want to do is help you get into a higher state of vibration so that when you're manifesting, you raise your vibrational frequencies. And essential oils are actually proven to be the highest way to raise your vibrational frequencies by using essential oils. So our bodies are at a state of I think about 62 and 72 for a healthy person's body, megahertz. When we are not feeling well, it goes down to about a 50 to 60. When you have like an illness like cancer or something, it's around 50. And then when you're dying, it's around 25. So there are some foods that can affect your vibration, such as greens are going to raise your vibration. But essential oils are so simple and so easy to use. They're so powerful. They're so effective. And that's why I wanted to share these with you guys, because I know that you love to manifest and I know that you want to raise your vibration. And why not use it with an essential oil? So making it really even more simpler, these oils that I'm going to talk to you about, there's 6 of them. So Forgive, Motivate, Peace, Passion, Passion, Cheer, and Console. Now, they do come in little bottles like this here, but I want to make it easy for you. So you can get these in the roller balls. So these roller balls here, simple, easy to use. You just apply it to your wrist. You can apply it to the back of your neck. You can inhale it, put some in your hand, rub your hands together. There's coconut oil with it. Within 2 minutes, that oil gets into your bloodstream. And 20 minutes, the oil gets into your body. So it's a great time to raise your vibrational frequencies. Now, essential oil rose has the highest amount of megahertz of vibrational frequency, 320 in rose. Powerful. Yes, it's an expensive oil to get as well, but it also comes in a rose touch as well. So you can get this here. It is $89. Now, the other oils, I'm just going to actually run through here. So the Motivate essential oil, this one here has peppermint, melissa, and basil, and they all have higher vibrational frequencies in them. Melissa runs around 90, 100 actually, peppermint runs around 90, and basil around 50. So those are all very high vibrational frequency oils in the Motivate blend. In the Forgive blend, we have bergamot, myrrh, and juniper berry. There are other oils in here in this blend, but those are the ones that are going to raise your vibrational frequency. And then the Peace has got the frankincense, lavender, and ylang ylang. Again, powerful. They're going to raise your vibrational frequency. So when you go to use these oils, you put them on within 2 minutes, 22 minutes into your bloodstream, 20 minutes into your body. That's how fast they work. These oils, they're safe. They are effective and they are affordable. Those are the 3 cool things about doTERRA oils. And I'm not talking about any oils, because you can go to the mall and you can get some oils. You can go to Shoppers Drug Mart and get some essential oils, or go to your Walmart or your Target and buy essential oils. They are not the same thing, okay? It's like buying pure maple syrup or Aunt Jemima maple syrup. It's still maple syrup, but it's not the same thing. So when I'm talking about oils, I'm talking about doTERRA's essential oils. So learning how to use them and create a higher vibrational frequency so that you can focus and taking your action to the goals that you want, to the things that you want to manifest. That is exactly what we're going to do here. So these oils, what I'm going to get you to do is take out the little samples, and you're going to take off the cap. And I probably put about 7 or 8 drops of essential oil into your little dram here, and just jiggle it back and forth to get it open. And then what I'm going to get you to do is put a little bit onto your hand, the palm of your hand, like so. So there's just a little drop on there. You're going to rub your hands together, close your eyes, inhale, okay? And then you're going to take your hands and just rub them on the back of your neck. That's it. All right. So you should have enough in here to do this for 4 or 5 times. All right. I want you to use one of those oils. The oil that I want you to focus on is Forgive or Motivate or Peace. I want you to grab your little sheet of paper here. And if you look here, you'll see that Peace is good for reassurance and for contentment. If you're going to use Motivate, that's for somebody who wants feelings of confidence, courage, and belief. And if you're going to use the Forgive oil, that's for a relief of contentment, feelings of relief, and of patience. So just go through the little chart here and match up the oils, and you'll see which one that you will use. Again, use it not just once, use it throughout the day. So I want you to take that little dram with you and use it throughout the day, all day. Every 2 or 3 hours, you can use that oil. All right, and if you want to get these oils, let me know. I'm going to send, this is going to come to you in a video and an email. What I'll do is I'll put some links in this email. So if you want to grab any of these oils, you can get them. They are wholesale prices, which is cheaper. You have to have like a wholesale account to get them, or you can get them for retail. And they're not expensive at all. Like the Forgive oil is $16. That's wholesale prices, $19, $20, $25, $30, and $35. They are inexpensive for how powerful they are. So hopefully that you guys grab something. Get one. If you don't want one and you want to get all 6, you can get the collection of 6 of them, or you can just get 1 or 2 to get started with. I will send you some links and get you some information on how you can get them. They will be shipped right to your front door. The oils come to your front door. You have to fill in some information, so your name, address, phone number. If you want to get a wholesale account, it's $35 in the US and $42 in Canada, and then you get the cheaper prices. If you want to get retail, you can buy retail. It's totally fine. You can pay a little bit more, it's 25% more. Get one to start, see how you like it, and then if you want to go ahead and buy more, then you can. You have a wholesale account. You can continue buying. It ships right to your front door. It's so easy. Like, it's just like shopping at Costco. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. I love to help people with essential oils, with manifesting. You can use essential oils for so many things, but let's just dive in, keep it simple with these 6 oils here in the rollerball form. So easy to use, so powerful. They're going to help you create and manifest and get things to you faster, quickly, and easily. All right, guys, thanks again, and I'll see you soon. Bye.